Good afternoon. Thank you for choosing to tune in and watch this video trial test here at Angie's Art Addicts YouTube channel. And what I'm going to be doing is checking out this chartpak blender marker. And that is what that is. So I'm going to run over here to my laser printer. And I'm going to pull this black and white image off that I just did. And supposedly, you can take and turn this over, use the blender marker, only this brand, and it'll transfer over. So this is Strathmore Bristol paper, so it's a really thick paper. It does go through my printers, but a lot of people's it won't. So this would be good for canvases, wood, anything. I've seen a lot of stuff. So I just have a few little images I'm going to try. And it showed, you know, people taping it down and all that. But we're just doing this for the sake of seeing if it works for everything. All right, let me see if I'm on the camera good here. Okay. Let me see here. And go. Let's see. The smell is absolutely horrible. When I pulled it out of the package, I didn't realize it because I was so excited that it looks like it might be working. I don't know. I was so excited that I didn't realize that the marker's lid had came off, and I had it in my hand, and then all of a sudden I realized that my entire house smelled like paint thinner or something. I wonder what those black lines are. Anyways, it's very, very volatile and bad smelling, so if you have issues with that, don't recommend this. I personally don't have a weak stomach or, you know, issues with smells. I can handle pretty much anything. So, not a bothersome to me. I'm trying to remember what I seen somebody do with like a piece of, I don't know, it's like a piece of bone, or it's not a human bone, but like a file kind of, but made out of bone. I don't know. I seen somebody take it and like push it down to make it kind of go, I guess. I don't know really, honestly. Let me pull this up. Ah, it's working, do you see? Oh my God, that's so cool. So, I'd seen people do this online with their artwork. So, if you were to like draw something in a book and want to put it in your journal, and you would just have to, you see? You would just have to photocopy it on a laser printer. It does not work with inkjet. It does not work with any other blender marker. I tried the other night. Now, and it doesn't work. I did see a video saying that they recommend you using two markers kind of back and forth, because if you're using a big image, the markers, of course, are not going to run out with one image or anything, but you do kind of wear them thick, and I think I just moved that. Anyways, you guys get the drift. So, and that was very super light, so you see, it works. So cool. Oh my God, that's so awesome. You could do so much things with that. So this is the marker you need to get. $5 online. I think you can get 2 for under 10, depending on where you get them. I got mine at Amazon. Got it here in 2 days. So yeah, you see, it works. Cool stuff. Hope you can find a use for it. Have a good day.